Hey everyone, welcome back to Coder Squad. In today's video, we're going to unravel the mysteries behind the DOCTYPE HTML declaration in HTML. Stick around because understanding this line of code is essential for proper web development. Have you ever wondered why every HTML document starts with DOCTYPE HTML? Well, it's not just a formality, it serves a critical role in defining the document type. Let's break it down. The DOCTYPE HTML declaration, also known as the DOCTYPE declaration, tells the browser which version of HTML the document is using. In this case, it signifies HTML5. Briefly touch on the historical context. In the past, various versions of HTML had different DOCTYPE declarations, but HTML5 simplified it to just DOCTYPE HTML. Explain how the DOCTYPE declaration determines the parsing mode for the browser. With DOCTYPE HTML, modern browsers switch to the standard mode, ensuring consistent rendering and behavior. Discuss how the DOCTYPE declaration plays a crucial role in ensuring compatibility across different browsers. It also helps in validating your HTML code, ensuring adherence to standards. Emphasize that the DOCTYPE declaration is unique, it doesn't have a closing tag. It's a standalone declaration placed at the very beginning of your HTML document. If relevant, briefly mention that in older HTML versions, different DOCTYPE declarations were used, and understanding them was vital for proper rendering. Highlight the advantages of using HTML5 and how the simplified DOCTYPE HTML declaration promotes cleaner, more readable code and better browser compatibility. The DOCTYPE declaration sets the stage for the entire HTML document. It ensures that browsers interpret your code correctly and apply the appropriate rendering rules. So, the next time you create an HTML document, remember the importance of DOCTYPE HTML. It's not just a line of code, it's your ticket to a standardized, well-rendered web page. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, hit the bell icon, comment, and share. Happy web development!